Are you tired of spending hours chopping, mincing, and prepping ingredients for your meals? Do you dream of a kitchen gadget that simplifies meal prep without cluttering your countertops? Enter this Reveuse Food Processor, electric food chopper with 7-cup glass bowl, a 300W powerhouse designed to revolutionize your cooking experience. In this review, I'll dive deep into why this versatile, compact, and user-friendly food processor is a must-have for every home cook. From its sleek blue design to its ability to handle everything from baby food to tough nuts, this chopper is packed with features that make meal prep a breeze. Let's explore why this kitchen gem deserves a spot in your home and how it can save you time, effort, and space. Solving kitchen chaos. The problem this food processor tackles. Meal preparation can feel like a never-ending battle. Hand-chopping vegetables is time-consuming, and prepping ingredients for complex dishes like homemade salsa, nut butters, or baby food can leave you exhausted. Bulky appliances take up precious counter space, and many lack the versatility to handle both soft and hard ingredients with precision. The Reveuse Food Processor solves these pain points with its 7-cup glass bowl, for bi-level stainless steel blades, and 300W motor, offering a compact yet powerful solution for effortless chopping, grinding, mincing, and whisking. Whether you're a busy parent, a health-conscious meal prepper, or a home cook craving convenience, this chopper streamlines your kitchen routine. Why the Reveuse Food Processor stands out. After testing the Reveuse Food Processor for weeks, I'm hooked on its performance, design, and ease of use. This isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's a game-changer that combines style, functionality, and affordability. Here's a detailed breakdown of its features, benefits, and real-world performance to help you decide if it's the right fit for your kitchen. Key features that make it a must-have. 7-cup, 1.7L glass bowl. The spacious, BPA-free glass bowl is perfect for preparing large batches of ingredients, from soups to salads. Unlike plastic, it resists stains and odors, ensuring your food stays fresh and clean. 300W motor with 4 bi-level blades. The powerful motor and double-layer stainless steel blades effortlessly chop, blend, mince, and puree a wide range of ingredients, from soft fruits to tough meats and nuts. 2-speed pulse control. With 2 speed settings and a 1-touch pulse function, you get precise control over texture, whether you're making chunky salsa or smooth hummus. Whisking disc included. A unique feature that lets you whisk eggs, cream, or batters, adding versatility beyond standard chopping tasks. Compact and space-saving design. Measuring just 9.9 by 15.0 by 7 inches, this processor fits easily in most kitchen cabinets, ideal for small apartments or crowded counters. User-friendly operation. An anti-slip rubber mat keeps the chopper stable, and the included spatula makes it easy to scrape ingredients from the bowl. Easy to clean. The fully disassembled structure and dishwasher-safe parts, except the motor base, make cleanup a breeze, saving you time after cooking. Benefits that transform your cooking experience. Saves time on meal prep. The Reveuse Food Processor cuts prep time in half, letting you chop onions, mince garlic, or grind nuts in seconds. For example, I whipped up a batch of coleslaw in under a minute, something that used to take 15 minutes by hand. Versatile for all recipes. From baby food to meat grinding, this chopper handles diverse tasks with ease. The whisking disc is a bonus for bakers, making it a multifunctional tool for every kitchen. Durable and easy to maintain. The glass bowl and stainless steel blades are built to last, and the dishwasher-safe design means you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. Perfect for who should buy this food processor. The Reveuse Food Processor is ideal for busy parents. Preparing fresh, homemade baby food is quick and easy, thanks to the precise chopping control and BPA-free bowl. Meal preppers. The 7-cup capacity is perfect for batch prepping veggies, sauces, or proteins for the week. Small kitchen owners. Its compact design fits seamlessly into tight spaces, making it a great choice for apartments or dorms. Health-conscious cooks. Create nutrient-packed dishes like smoothies, nut butters, or veggie dips with minimal effort. Beginner and pro chefs. The user-friendly design suits novices, while the powerful motor and versatile blades satisfy experienced cooks. Pros and cons. A balanced look. Pros. Powerful 300W motor handles tough ingredients. Large 7-cup glass bowl for family-sized portions. Compact design saves counter space. Easy to clean with dishwasher-safe parts. Whisking disc adds unique functionality. Cons. Lid alignment can be tricky at first. At 5.31 pounds, it's slightly heavy for frequent moving. Only available in blue, which may not match all kitchen aesthetics. Final verdict. A kitchen game-changer. The Reveuse Food Processor, electric food chopper with 7-cup glass bowl is a versatile, compact, and powerful tool that transforms meal prep from a chore into a joy. Its 300W motor, for bi-level blades, and whisking disc make it a multitasker that handles everything from chopping veggies to whisking batters. The glass bowl's durability, easy cleanup, and space-saving design make it perfect for any kitchen, big or small. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prepper, or a cooking enthusiast, this food processor will save you time and elevate your culinary creations. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.